Ford Philippines and Don Bosco Technical Institute has a long, cordial, and standing partnership. I believe it started in 2006, wherein Ford is looking for a partner where they will hold their training for their service technicians. And since Don Bosco is located in a very good place and location, they asked Don Bosco if they could have their training here in Don Bosco. And I believe Don Bosco knows Ford. That's why they willingly offer the facility. But of course, Don Bosco is very grateful to Ford for choosing Don Bosco as its venue because we will have the ability to train also with Ford. Take note, training of teachers is very expensive, and with Ford around, we have access to the training in Ford technology, as well as even in their facilities. They offer their facilities. They even donate cars to us over the years. They donate tools, equipment, and this is a great opportunity for us to advance our capabilities in training of our personnel and of the tools and the facilities that they offer. And now it's going higher because with this new building, they really invest a lot. As you've seen, it's really a very big investment. It is 2.5 million of investment of Ford Philippines to the training facility. But on top of that, they're also offering 25 scholarship, and that is an additional more than ₱1 million. So which means just for this event, they are giving us about 4 million pesos, and that is very, very substantial. That's why we are really very grateful to Ford Philippines for choosing Don Bosco, because I believe they also see the value in giving. They see the importance of helping those who are in technical training, especially in automotive, where Don Bosco is. And I think it will be good not only for Don Bosco, but in the whole industry as well, because our students would go to different dealership, would go to different companies in automotive, and Ford has that pride that we were part in educating and training these particular students of Don Bosco.
Thank you very much, Father, and God bless.
Yeah, thank you.